Okay, here is a look at getyouredge.org, and I want to walk you through how to sign into this website and create an account. You definitely want to create an account so that it saves your progress for you and so that you can always come back and get the certificates for your resume. I think these are pretty cool. So if you come to getyouredge.org, you click on Get Started. And you answer these questions. I am a male or female, born in a year, and my career goal is to be a nurse, a teacher, a vet, a welder, whatever it is. For work, do you work or not? And thinking about work makes me mostly feel happy, sad, whatever. So you pick from the list and click next. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. You're going to finish creating the account there. And when you're done, it will bring you to a dashboard, okay? And your dashboard, will look like this. It will say My Courses. And what it's done, based on all the information you gave it at the beginning, is it's created a course list for you of different career skills that you might want to build for your life based on your goals. And at the end of all of these courses, it would give you a certificate that you could add to your resume so you look better than other applicants when you're applying to jobs. But also, it builds your skills in this area so you're better at your job or you learn more now. But what I think you would like about this is it's not school topics. It's not English and math and all that. It's things that you might be able to use like literally today while you're sitting in quarantine. So let me give you some examples. Managing your income and assets. So if you want to take our learning about budgeting and income further, managing income and assets, that's pretty cool. You could take that course. You would just click View Course to check it out and see if you were interested. It shows you everything that's in the course. So financial planning, understanding your paycheck, types of accounts, checking accounts, savings accounts. So we learned some of this, right? But we didn't learn all of this. Importance of investing your money. We didn't really talk about investments. Staying consistent. So all of this stuff in here, and you can click a section and be like, oh, I want to look at understanding your paycheck. Okay, there's two sections. Why money is taken out of your paycheck, taxes, and then try it out. What's my income? So there's an exercise there to try things out and see what your income would be. So if you work through this whole entire thing and you get to next steps and you finish this course, it will show that you have finished this course and you'll get a certificate in this course. Your progress has a section also, so it'll show you rather how much you've done here. So I haven't done this course yet, so it doesn't show anything. And I can always get back to my home screen, the dashboard, by clicking on dashboard. But look at all these different things that you can learn. Communication etiquette, if you want to be really good at communication. I had to be really good at my communication. The first job that I had, I was a hostess at Islands Restaurant. I had to be really good at communication to be a hostess, right? People expect you to be happy. They expect you to tell them, here's your menu, here's your table, your server is coming, right? So your communication etiquette has to be really good. We've done interviewing, but maybe you want to practice some more. Maybe you want to set some goals for yourself because you're working on being a better leader. Maybe you want to work on being on a team because you kind of hate working with people and you feel like you need to work on that. Difficult situations. All of you that said you wanted to go into law enforcement or law, any kind of law, dealing with difficult situations, you need to take this course. Dealing with customers, being an active listener. Guys, if you want a girlfriend, being an active listener. Foundations of customer service. If you want to go get a job at Target or, a clothing store, shoe store, you need good customer service. Developing a professional image. So how to look like a professional and how do you create a professional image so people take you seriously. Importance of tangibles. This is so interesting. Tangibles are things that you can see, touch, use, feel, right? Versus ideas. Ideas, I can't touch and feel ideas, right? So that's a customer service thing. And you see it's advanced. So if you are getting really good in a skill and you want to take an advanced course, you can take the advanced courses on here. Recommendations and upselling. That's great for marketing, making more money. Troubleshooting, having a solution mindset, conflict resolution, giving and receiving feedback. This one's huge. Some of you are not very good at getting feedback or maybe at giving it. This one's really important, again, if you want to be a leader in your field. Developing a personal brand. If you guys want to work online, you want to be a YouTube star, you want more people to come to your Instagram page, you want your TikTok to be the next big thing, right? Developing your personal brand. That's an advanced customer service course. Growing your grit, again, with leadership, defining success, empowerment. So there's just all kinds. Social media and online presence. You guys might just really enjoy this, even if you don't think it's part of your job in the future. You might just really like this class. Job applications, becoming a leader, budgets and finance basics if you want to start from the beginning, and then making good decisions. So your courses will look different than mine based on what you put in there. But you can take any of these courses and you just send me your progress for the week. And then when you finish them, again, you get certificates and you can update your resume. And if you get one done and you put it on your resume and you update it, send me your resume again and tell me in an email that you updated it, and I will give you extra credit for updating your resume. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this. I hope you find it valuable. And I also hope that for those of you, I know some of you have been saying, I'm sitting at home and I'm bored, Cohen, like I did all my work and I'm bored sitting at home. This would be a great way to use your time wisely. I wrote it here behind my head. I hope you can see it. Oprah has 24 hours in a day, right? You have 24 hours in a day still, even though you're stuck at home. Now is your opportunity to use it and build some really amazing skills. Okay? Thanks, guys. I'll talk to you soon.